Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron 2.0TDI 150B horsepower automatic edition 75 in sleek grey exterior colour. With only 16,471 kilometers on the clock, this 2-litre diesel vehicle boasts an array of top-notch features. From air conditioning and satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, safety and comfort are at the forefront. Stylish chrome accents and roof rails add to the overall appeal. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information and to schedule a test drive today. Drive away in luxury and style with the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron EDITION 75.